This is being broadcast to other places at this time slot, particularly for people in Africa and Europe, many of whom have been very much involved in the development of the projects that we're going to be talking about, particularly tomorrow. Today, we thought we would focus on Australian experience, just building on some of the discussions that you've been part of the last couple of days, but on a more technical sort of frame. Not all of it the technical accounting science. I think one of the big challenges that you will have come to appreciate is the whole issue around governance and what makes for effective governance at a community level. And so we're going to have a presentation on that, and then various of the others presentations are going to be of more technical nature, bringing you up to speed where we're sort of currently at with the development of the background to methodologies, MRV systems, connections to biodiversity values and the like. And then tomorrow we're going to spend much more of our time in Southern Africa and listen to a range of speakers who are doing various projects in that part of the world that are all related to this. And we're particularly interested in sort of setting out and understanding what are the challenges and what are the opportunities. And even today, you're going to hear some, what I think are some pretty exciting technological challenges. I'm a forester by background, and I know there's actually quite a lot of foresters in this room, and I was brought up in a tradition of measuring things with diameter tapes and the like. And as we know, those sorts of technologies are now almost prehistoric, and we need to consider sort of some of the flasher ways and more efficient ways of being able to look at biomass and the like at large landscape scales.